today's tutorial is on footwork combinations. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. AJ47, Soul Mavericks and Primal Instincts crew, also representing the London Breaking Academy, which is my own academy I have started here in London. Now, I've deliberately tried to make these footwork combinations easy and accessible using the basic footwork fundamentals. To come up with these combos and make sure that they're easy enough, I teach them to my son. 5, 6, 7. At the London Breaking Academy, we're currently going over a lot of Storm's footwork fundamentals, details, and I'm giving the students homework. If you'd like to access that kind of homework, you can go over to my Patreon, where there's an extended version of this video and loads of other videos. Even though I've not been that active on YouTube, I've been very active over there on Patreon. Let's get into this tutorial. We're going to start with a shootout. 1 and 2 is going to be 2 shootouts. So 1 and 2 shootouts. Then you retract. And then from here, you're going to change hands and you're going to step over, step back. Step over, step back. Straight into a turning hook or a rotating hook. Turn, turn, hook. 2 hands just looks tidier. And then same again on the other side. Turn, turn, over, hook. And then from here, you can jump to a position to open for the accent, which will be on the 1. Of course, doesn't matter if there is not, because you're going to use this as a transition. So it could be 1, and then you're back into your footwork, okay? Whichever direction you'd like to go. Let's do that a little faster, because the rhythm of the first 3 steps, it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This bit's relatively easy as long as you rotate with your shoulders. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Freeze. That's the first one. As I mentioned, I teach them to my son, who's been progressing quite well in breaking. I'm very proud of his dedication and his efforts. So this one, I give credit to him, because this is actually, this is all him. I helped tweak a few things, but really, this is his combination. We're gonna start in position 0. So you just jump straight out. 1 and on the elbow, 2, 3 and 4. So it's a transition. I break my rules of going flat-footed in your footwork. So when I've done this and I've gone 1 and 2 and 3, open this leg to shift your weight. 4. From here, what you do is you swing this leg out and swing to 5 and 6 to this position, and then we pivot. 7, back sweep, 8 and 1. Okay, you kind of want to work on the first bit and the next bit separately for that clarity and that flow. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Stop here. Once you've got that, practice from the music going from here, because it takes a little while to get the connection of this bit flowing, and then you can splice them together a lot easier. You want to think of this as a rotation and a swing, all right? Even maybe a little slide to get this hip to go around. So 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. That's with the flow. It's constantly rotating to make it easier. Let's try that all together, relatively slow. See if you can follow along with me. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and elbow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1. Let's see what that looks like full time to the music. 6, 7. All right, that finishes the tutorial part of this video, both combinations and key drills. If you're only here to learn the combo, you're done. Rewind to practice. If you'd like to stick around, I've left a behind the scenes troubleshooting section where I explore small changes, why they work better, and play a quick teaching challenge with my son. It's optional, but it's a good watch if you want ideas for variations and real-time problem solving. Chapters are in the description, so you can jump straight to the ones you want. Enjoy. So I'm going to try this one more time, but with a better flow, because I noticed when I got to the knee, I paused because I didn't want to kick the wall. So I'm going to start a little bit further this way so I can swing properly, because after the 4, it's supposed to flow all the way to the 1 without any stops. Even if it's little, though, I think those little details do matter. So ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Now I'm ahead of the music because the music is slower. So I'd have to think of something that I can do from there. I think I've got an idea. 5, 6, 7, and. Six, 7, and. I think this is a good reason as to why you should always review your footage afterwards. So as I've filmed what you've just learnt, I've realized that the step over and the pause, I think the shape should be on the other side. And I've got time, so I think that makes sense. So we're gonna try that again. I've got an idea in my head. I'm just gonna play the music and we're gonna see if it works. Okay, it's the same, just a minor little twist. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. I think that's better. I think it's better. Let's have a look at the footage. People always ask me the name of the songs. I don't always have the name of the songs because I pinch them from mixtapes. So today's video, we are using this mixtape, which you can see on screen now via SoundCloud. I want you guys to notice something. After my demonstrations of the combinations I've made, I always freestyle just afterwards. I think this is a good way to practice integrating the combination you're learning into your material. Also, and it's nice to be able to do both, right? Yes, we need to have some form of structure, but it's nice to be able to freestyle and see what comes out. If you're filming it, you might even go, that is the perfect addition to add to my combination, or not. You might review it and go, this is terrible. So with this video, you can see whether it's good or not, but I'm freestyling after the combination pretty much every time, so you guys can get an idea of how you can create if you record and then make structure out of your freestyle. Hope that helps. So Xander's just come home. Let's see if he can make that little adjustment I made in the footwork step, and you guys can kind of see that process. Xander! Xander! Come here. Yeah? Do you want to help me film a YouTube video? It'll take 2 minutes. It's just an extension or a change to that last footwork combination you made. Put some pants on though. Nobody wants to see you in your boxes. So I changed it. I changed the step. I'm going to attach you the mic. So this is a magnet. A magnet? Yeah, it's really cool. It goes to here, like that. All right, there you go. That's it. Yeah. All right, so the change is the same as when we do the front sweep. Instead of stepping over, 1, 2, and then what we'll do is we'll put this foot flat. Right, so then we can make a figure 4 here. So, but straighten that knee. So make sure if you step out here, it's going to compromise your balance point. So what you want to do is, you know, when we step back for footwork and we step right back like this, instead of out to the side like that, we step right back. But what you're going to do is you're going to put the foot down like that and then put the foot, but on your side, on the other side, yeah, like that. And keep your toe facing forward so you don't fall. So your toe's pointing to the wall. I want your toe to face this way. Yeah, like that. Right, now come out. So relax. It's quick. We'll come through, we'll do the back sweep. And as we do the back sweep, watch your hands. Or maybe just stand up a sec. And it will go, boom. See that foot facing forward? That grounded foot? And that way I'll keep my balance. If I tap out, this is really hard to hold. So give that a try. Try that a couple of times. So. You feel you're off balance? So try it again a couple of times. Just 1 big 2, like boom. Good. All right, and now Now we can try it with the whole thing. You want to try it with the whole combo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's try some music. This one. I'm going to come out the way.
Yeah, this will be good.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, and. Okay, that was the end. I want you to do that at the end. So CC to the elbow. No. CC to the elbow. 7 and 2, 4. Oh, stop, because it's on the 1. Ready? My bad. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. Too late. Let me show you. I never showed you the whole thing. Let me show you.
So you changed some bits from my combo.
Just the end.
Oh.
Stand up so I don't kick you. You ready, yeah?
Yeah. Is anyone filming?
5. See, it's filming now. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You're wrong.
Oh, that's it. Watch.
I was wrong.
Watch, I know. I know. Cheers. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Nice.
Oh, you gotta go all the way, so it's 6 step, like that. Yeah, that bit's quick. Try again. It's good because they get to see how long it takes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. Too late. That's the old one.
Oh.
Yeah.
So wait, instead of that,
Yeah.
instead of doing it here.
Just go to 0.
Oh, okay.
8 and 1. That's too slow. Yeah, you gotta be quicker.
Yeah.
So that swing, that back sweep has to, let's try, go to the hook. Go to the hook on the 4, number 4, other side. I'm going to count to 4 and try to get all the way to the end here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Yeah, again. That's okay. That's better. Go to the 4 again. Hook to 4. 1, 2, 3, hook. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and freeze. Better. Okay, one more time. I think we got it now. One more time just from there and then we can try the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Ha! Good. Oh, here we go. Huh. Let's try the whole thing now.
Why is the curtains like this?
Just to bring it down, keep the background simple.
Oh, okay. I didn't know we can go this far.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, and. Yes.
It's not really my style.
That was pretty good. Give me a high five. Did you just say it's not really your style?
Yeah, I'm just telling, the first bit is I made up, but he made it up at the end.
But yeah, I already told them. They already know. Cool. Let's do the outro. We'll say subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
And we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Yeah. We'll
Peace.
catch you guys.
Peace, guys. That's it. Go.